Hey, what is up, guys? Good morning once again. Here from United Kingdom. It's a good day, no? Okay, sunny day today. And it's my off. And si Mami nag-duty sa home care. Nakaban ako si Amara girl. Today, manglaag mi sa isa ka park diri sa Stoke Park. And we will gonna have a baby and daddy date for today. So banim mi karong adlaw kay share na mo sa inyo sa ka child friendly na park diri sa among lugar nga gistayhan sa UK. So let's go. We are here now sa Stoke Park. Stoke Park. Si Madam, oh. Asa gusto niyo man to?
I want to go to the Green Monkey Bar.
Ah, Green Monkey Bar. So, ito na meron. Hapit sa medali sa Stoke Park Gardens. Dili kaya naman po niya siya yung Stoke Park skateboard park. Bago tamo ito sa garden. Let's go. Sila gibuhat rin nga bago nga PlayStation, no? A nice day today. Nice skateboard park. Look at that. Skateboard park too. So, picnic.
Why is the dad hurting?
What?
Why is the dad hurting?
Look at that. Padulong naman summer. Oh, daghan nagbata nga nagpabulad sa init. Kita, nay bata, nay tigulang. So daghan kadulag skateboard rin. Po inani sa Pilipinas sunod. Yeah, hopefully it will gonna be built in the Philippines. Look at that. So ito sa Stoke Park Gardens kasi Amara gusto na siya mag-play dito. Let's go. Ang garden dito, guys. Green kayo. Okay, pa summer naman. Green na. Nice na mga view.
The squirrel's house.
Nice squirrel, no? Kahoy, dako kayo. Let's go to Stoke Park Gardens. Kasi Amara, di ko na baktas yun to walk.
No.
Hindi siya mo walk, guys. Nice kayo ang weather karon kay dili init. Dili pud kay siya. I mean dili init nga igang ba. Yeah, dili pud siya tugnaw for the past few months.
Yeah.
Kani diri kay ay sarado pa man ang paddling pool nak. Wait lang ha, videohan sa ni daddy dali ha.
I want to go to the
Pakita sa ni daddy ang pond. Yan si daddy. So mo yung pond diri guys. Look at the pond. Here you go. Si Amara. Napon ni paddling pool diri kung pwede maligo ang mga bata. Pero sa karon dili pa open.
Daddy, I wanna go to the green monkey bars.
Yeah.
Mom,
So let's go. Mo ang paddling pool. Yes. Wala pa man nag-open. So in summer mag-open eh. Pwede maligo ang mga bata dahil. Sa karon nag-picnic pa. Look at that, there's a crow.
I think so.
Nag-swim siya no?
Yeah.
Muna yung garden diri. Ito nga part kay mga bulak to. Pero nasa playground. Sa playground, careful lang tayo mag-video kay bawal videohan ng mga bata diri. Oh, mga flowers diri. So nice. Ay, crocodile. Yan, ay crocodile B. Yung mga trees. Na po yung mini stone diri. I'm gonna take your picture here. Wait lang. Look at that here. Nasa yung mga bato nga structures under sa mga kahoy. Pwede rin mag-picnic. Pwede rin mag-picnic diri. But now ito may sa playground. Ano yung favorite? Look at that. Do you like it? Baby girl? Be careful. Look at that.
Hi.
Hello, say hello.
Hello.
Si Mami kay nagkuan duty karon. So kami lang ni Ara ang nag-play date today. Go slide na. Oh, there's a whirlwind. Woohoo! Look at that, there's a whirlwind. So play lang sa ka.
Okay.
Daddy, dili lang si Daddy mag-wait, okay? Say hi guys.
Hi guys. I'm trying to balance.
Go. All right. Go.
Daddy.
Oh, be careful.
Dad, help.
You can do it. All right. One more. One more. This is the monkey bar that you want.
Yes, I want.
This is the favorite thing that you want.
I hope I want it.
Oh! Again. You can always try again. Daddy will gonna help you. Daddy will gonna help you.
Daddy, help.
Oh!
Daddy, I can't do this.
go. The next one. Oh.
Right, are you on your way to London?
Daddy.
Right, are you on the fast lane?
Oh, be careful. You did it. Oh yeah.
This is a fish.
Yee. Next to the ship. Go around to the ship. Black sheep, mini moo. Oh, to the chicken, Run. Run. Cuckoo. All right. Just be careful. This is the challenging part. Nasa kataas na, oh. You try. Ayaw, dala, dito, go. That's the challenging part. You can do it. Look how tall is that one. Go.
Daddy, I'm scared of heights.
No, you can do it. Nah, she can't do it. She's afraid. Wait, excuse me.
Someone is going down.
Go, Mara. Go! You did it! Woohoo! Alright, Daddy will turn you. Go 1, 2, 3, go! Woohoo! Okay, 1, 2, 3. You lie down. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Go!
Wait.
Get up. Oh, don't get up.
Oh yes. So it's snack time. Nagkapoy ka? It's snack time sa area, guys. Kay init na po tayo. So where you wanna go next? Where you wanna go next? Let's have a picnic. Let's have a picnic. Alright, so picnic minara sa grounds. You want to run there? So let's go. Finish na minara sa Stoke Park Playground. And now we'll find some ice cream. So dili mo po niyang tennis court drill. Tennis court. Oh wait, Daddy will just get some water, okay? May free water dito. Alright, so kosa kong tubig. Kaya di na tampalit ng tubig. Ang mga gripo diri sa England, guys, may inom ra. Tara. Let's go. Yes, sir. Ano yung mga flowers, oh? Ooh, so nice.
Give me some chips.
What?
Give me some chips.
No, not chips every time. Look at that. Tennis court. Doon sa tennis. Diri gud nag tennis. Kaning Stockport Gardens nindot pa mga flowers diri ah. Ano na to? Hopefully na ice cream. Kung nagka-picnic ang uban diri. Mga flowers. Ew. So good na. Alright. Na. Try mini arog ice cream. Let's go. Naog sanak. Oh, let's go dito tagi. Because look at that. May mga duck there. My red tree.
No, we don't really have time for these.
What? Cone? Let's try. Okay. Oh, there's a bird. Go down. Ice cream. There's no ice cream. Oh yes. You want strawberry? Strawberry? This one. Okay, let's wait lang ha. Palit pag ice cream si Amara guys. Oh, it's big. Hey, thank you.
I think I need more marshmallow.
Look at that. Let's find some seat. Do you like it? The money order na Amara. Oh yeah, can we sit here? Go there, my love.
Give me my ice.
Yeah. Sama na yung park, garden. Sama na akong date today. Perfect. Hi. Do you like it? What? There's a duck. Oh yeah. What do you want to eat? Ayun, nagsakay. Okay. Amara wants to see the ducks. Look at that. Look at that one. Look at that. What is he eating? What are you eating, boy?
What are you eating, boy?
What are you eating? You? Let's go. Look at the flowers. Can you do the video? Ako lang. Iwi man. Iwi man.
Oh.
What is a bird? Look at that. Look at the flowers.
The waterfall.
There's the water.
There's no one to swim there.
What?
There's no one to swim there.
You wanna swim here?
No, I don't want to.
Why?
Because it's so dirty. So dirty. Ooh, way back. So dirty.
Let's watch the boat.
Where's the boat?
Yeah, they're playing boat. Look at that.
Now.
Can I take photo of you here?
No. Ow.
Alright. Let's just wait for a while here.
There's the duck.
Look at the view.
The duck.
Phew. Alright. So, human na mi sa Stoke Park Gardens. Dili na pud mi sa open field. Open field. Yeah, here. You wanna stay here? Woohoo! Yes, sir. Yeah. So, daghang ga picnic. Diri mi na Mara. Magpainit anak. Alright.
Just take our ball.
Yeah. Oh, diri na sa Mini Amara. Mag painit and mag sleep. Yeah. Show them, show them. Show them what you got. Show them what you've got. Girl. Uh-oh. Come on. Oh, yes.
I'm a dog.
Just here.
Can you tag me?
You can't tag me.
I tag you. Amara can tag me. Tag. Woohoo! Mag-sleep na ta? Daddy.
Oh!
Look at me, Dad. Wait. Wait.
One more. Ito ang skate park. Ito ang Spectrum. So, it's a beautiful day here in United Kingdom. I think I wanna sleep. Oh, come here. I think I wanna sleep. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Woohoo!